Hi students, it's Miss B. Today we will be thinking about the pitch of music, and that means how high or low music is, a sound is. We go to Chrome Music Lab, and we've played with this before, and all the way towards the bottom we have this cute little pink triangle monster on a game called Oscillators. If you click on that, you'll see a green square, but the arrow, you can see a yellow sawtooth shape, a pink triangle, or a blue circle. And each one is going to have a different tone to their voice. When we think about pitch, it means how high or low a sound is. Let's play with this square. We'll start with low and go up. You'll notice as we go up, so does his voice. Let's listen to the tone of Sawtooth. Now let's listen to Pink Triangle's tone. And we'll listen to this pink circle. You see how each one of them has a little bit of a different voice. Play around with this and make the sounds go up and down and see which one of these you like the best. Have fun with the game, of course, and we will have a poll and we'll vote. Which one made the coolest sound? Was it our green square, our yellow sawtooth, our pink triangle, or our blue circle? Check back to the LMS to Power School and make sure that you vote before Friday. Bye.